1, 2, 3, let's go, come on. Where we go, we hold it down. King of my city, but no, I don't need no crown. Neighbors bitching, telling us to turn it down. So we just turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Is that a camera?
Yeah. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. As you know, I'm TJ, or if you don't know, subscribe down here or here, whatever that is. Click the subscribe part, get to know me. Today, as you saw from the title, I got a package from Obsolete again. I got another board, and I don't know what happened here. So obviously that's what we're gonna do, is open my board, set it up, and possibly go skate. That could work. I got the last size 8 and the Obsolete is dead deck. So there are no more 8s in this board. I can't get the glare to not hit it right. There you go. There are no more 8s in this board anymore. So if you're at a size 8, I'm sorry, I got the last one. And then also in here, if anyone didn't know, through Obsolete, you can order bones, rods, bearings. So hit up Obsolete if you need bearings also, because we don't only have boards, shirts, and everything, but yeah, bearings. I got stickers. I also got some stickers. I already took my other board apart, so now all I gotta do is set this one up, add my bearings, and we can go skate. Should have put the other one on first. What the f? This one was a bad idea. I'm so hot. What the f? For real right now? Oh my god, this sucks. Oh, what the hell? I literally broke a sweat from doing this. This sucked. This part's pretty boring. I'm just gonna fast. There we go. Now to add the stickers. Does that look good, Rito? Okay. I don't have time to plug my mic in. I randomly got a package, so I don't know who it's from. It's from Reno, Las Vegas. I don't order anything out of Las Vegas. So I'm just opening this for fun. Why not? Oh, hell yeah! Shout out to my mama getting me the Minneapolis Miracle shirt. Ooh-wee! Now I'm hyped. Alright. Okay, so now back to the video. So now I got this all set up. We're gonna head out to a skate park. I'm not sure which park. Yeah, I could go to the West Side Park.
Man, yeah, y'all ain't ready for Blade. Dirty laundry.
blaze. Some people like to talk, but shit I like to walk, making moves. Competition simply needs to improve. Hating on me, you lose, cause this niggas never stopping, that's beyond me. Welcome y'all to serious dirty laundry. Slamming on these brakes, cause I'm speeding too fast. Go to class, you already one-on-one, you will not pass. You order by every class, so the story start to build up. Military militia, BT's coming to get you. Took a trip out west, now back I'm feeling good shit. Smoking on the finest shit, keep him out hood. Simply misunderstood, so I had to break it down for you simple. Cut it up, bang it, listen to that tempo. Murder that instrumental like a real nigga supposed to do. No skills, I keep up with you, precision, I give up on you. So tell me what you gonna do. Stop, think, pause, one strike. Crossing this track, call it jaws of life.
Money over everything, call it Sean family. Playing games with the pistols like Tom Clancy. Happy in the Chevy, leaning like I'm on Sandy. Plus my pockets stay fat, Sean Candy. In the club with the 80 cause it's straight plastic. And my clique full of gators, like plastic. When it come to cash trick, I'm like a straight addict. Plus the flow crazy like you jumped up by the straight jacket. I gotta keep.
But I could warm up at Wild Rose for a little bit. That would be kind of fun.
Watching me fall, don't catch me. I'm right back up, say yeah if you're with me. Watching me fall, you gon' wait a while. Every step I get higher ain't coming down. The underdog, the one who never had it all. Probably passed them by, but you didn't even know they saw him. Life is melody, say bye to jealousy. I'm working on a path that will get me straight to Beverly Hills. With the ocean in Hollywood, I wanna be the best. You don't believe it, you probably should. Rolling down Sunset, seeing all the palm trees. California love, all started with one dream. I'm being me, so I never had to fake it. I'm the new kid in town, footloose, Kevin Bacon. Cruise control on the highway going 70. Focus on the moment, no way you'll get ahead of me. You can watch my rise, my team is on my side. The class is out this world, the hook is so.
And then I go to Robertson, it's right down the street.
Just want you to remember me. Every city in radio, every city in radio, every city in radio, every city in radio. This beat is us. This beat is me. When it comes down to it, I just want you to remember me. Every city in radio, every city in radio, every city in radio, every city in radio. In my mind, it's kinda simple. Just feel these instrumentals when it hits the temples. You respect the swag and their credentials, and that's just motivation. Cause when you change the station, I'll be on the banging, knocking out your speakers while you're hanging. What I'm saying is success is in my path. Added determination, including good and the bad. Life can truly be short, so appreciate what you have. I'm doing it for my family, niggas helping my craft. So I grab every chance and opportunity. Guess you say I'm doing me very fluently gifted. I took the mic and I gripped it and paid a visit. Know that I'm up and coming, taking my chance and running. Realize how bad I want it. I'm talking about I'm made for the music life. Taking chances, rolling dice positively. Negative, that's the meaning of sacrifice. I'm coming loud with this music shit. My flow's ridiculous, there's no competition because I'm real as shit. And us, me. Remember me, us, me. Remember me. This beat is us, this beat is me. When it comes down to it, I just want you to remember me. Every city in radio, every city in radio, every city in radio, every city in radio. This beat is us, this beat is me. When it comes down to
Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go skate. I'll leave the camera here. I'm just gonna go do my own thing. You guys have a good day. Yeah, I don't know, there's not much left to this video, so like, you guys should just go out and skate. Like, go have fun.
Listen anywhere, anytime.